in this question, now what we can write it, x cube minus x is greater than is equal to 0, and this implies x with x square minus 1 is greater than is equal to 0 on minus 1 comma 0. Then x square minus 1 is less than is equal to 0 on 0 comma 1, and x square minus 1 x is greater than or equal to 0 on 1 comma 2. Splitting the intervals, to minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. Now what the question becomes, minus 1 to 2 modulus for x cube minus x dx is equal to, now we are having minus 1 to 0 x cube minus x dx plus 0 to 1 x cube minus x dx plus 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx. Okay. Now this becomes x raised to power 4 upon 4 minus x square upon 2 minus 1 to 0 plus x raised to power 4 upon 4 minus x square upon 2 0 to 1 plus x raised to power 4 upon 4 minus x square upon 2 from 1 to 2. Now this becomes 0 minus it is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 minus 0 plus 16 upon 4 minus 4 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now this becomes 0 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 0 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 upon 4. Is it clear? After calculation, now this becomes 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 plus 1 by 4, and this is equal to 11 upon 4, and this is the answer.